Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into something really useful for everyone working with Git, how to create a new branch in a project repository. Don't worry if you are new to Git, we have got you covered with an easy step-by-step explanation. So imagine our team of developers is working on a project located in the directory user src code cloud repos official. They want to add some new features without disturbing the existing master branch. The way to do this is by creating a new branch. Think of it like making a copy of a project where we can safely try out new ideas. Here is what we'll do right from the server where the code lives. First, we will open the terminal and navigate our project. So here they are saying storage server. Let's log into SSH to storage server. This is storage server. SSH Natasha @ststor01. Yes, give the password. Right, we have logged in. Now we need to navigate to our project folder by typing cd change directory user src code cloud repos official. Next, we want to make sure we are on the main branch, usually called master. We can check that by entering this command. Sorry, my bad. Yeah, so they're asking for an exception to be addressed. We just need to enter. Okay, again let's try the same command git branch. Now if you see, we are on the code cloud underscore official branch and there is master branch as well. Now we need to switch to a master branch. Git checkout master, permission denied. Let's try with sudo git checkout master. It is again asking for the password. Let's enter the password. Right. Now if you do git branch, you will be on master branch. So it is always good practice to get the latest updates before we start working. So we will pull the newest changes by entering this command git pull origin master. Okay, let's give sudo again. Sudo git pull origin master. Okay, done. Now comes the exciting part, creating our new branch. We will create and switch to it in one go by typing the given command. Git checkout -b. What is the branch name? This one. Copy the branch name, paste, enter. Okay, again we need to use sudo as they didn't allow us with the permissions. Enter. So what this will do is it will create a new branch and we are switching to that new branch. It's like this command creates a brand new branch called xfusioncorp official based on the master. It's like marking a fresh starting point for our new features. So finally, we want to upload this new branch to a remote repository so others can access it too. We can do that by using git push origin xfusion, right? And that's it. We have created a new branch safely without touching the master branch. Now our developers can work on their new features without any worries. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe for more beginner friendly tech tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Thank you.